Hey guys, what's up? In this short tutorial I will teach you how you can hide your last seen status on Telegram. For example, if you'd like to stay anonymous in Telegram and not be visible to other users, for example in the search on Telegram. So let me show you how it's done really quickly. First, launch the Telegram application on your mobile device, and once you're on your home screen, tap on these three horizontal lines in the top left corner. Select your account's settings by tapping settings here. After that, scroll down a bit till you get to privacy and security here, and in the following window, scroll again till you get to the privacy section of your Telegram account. And there you go. As you can see, currently my last seen and online status is that everybody can see it, and now I'd like to change it. So tap on it, and after that simply decide you would like to grant the permission to see when you're online and when you have been last seen around here on Telegram. You can choose between everybody, my contacts, and nobody. And remember also guys that if you select, for example, nobody, so that no one will see that you have been seen online here on Telegram, you will also be given the opportunity to add exceptions to that rule here below. Here it says add exceptions, always share with, so simply tap on add users here and select the user or friend of yours or contact you would like to grant permission to see if you are online and have been seen online and last seen here on Telegram. The same can be applied to everybody, guys. If you select everybody here at the top, you'll be given the opportunity to add exceptions to that, so that basically everybody can see that you have been seen online here on Telegram, but with single exceptions. So you may add single users to that exception list. And remember also to confirm your settings by tapping that check mark here in the top right corner to save your settings. And that's basically it. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.